Let me show you how to connect camera to your iPhone. So yep, what's absolutely awesome, we can actually directly connect the camera to your iPhone if you want to instantly access the pictures and videos stored on the camera and transfer them over to use them. So for example, I have Sony camera here, but it will be pretty much the same on any camera. So first you simply want to find your Type-C port or also the micro USB port, so depending on which you have, so for data transfer. So I'm simply going to connect to my camera here. So again, the same cables that you use to charge your phone, and then also connect it to your phone. Okay, and then you see, for example, mine's entering the USB storage mode right away. And to access the files on the camera, we simply swipe like this, go in your apps and find the Files app. So in the Files app, you want to go all the way out, so in the main directory. So for me, it's named Untitled. So if you click here, so you see I have the internal directory of the camera here. For example, the pictures would be stored here. So you see it accesses all the pictures I have on this camera over here. And if I want to transfer over the image to my phone, so I would either like select and copy, or also you can click these three dots here and click select. So either like select the ones you want, or also you have the select button here to select all the image in the directory. And then you simply click this thing over here on the left side and click copy. Go back, okay, to your main directory. So click on my iPhone. You can either choose one of the folders you have here, or also create a new folder. Okay, so let's open it and click and hold on the folder and click paste. As you see, the image got transferred, and the same is for videos as well. So again, let's go in the memory card. For videos on the Sony camera, I have it in the private, and for root, clip, and here we have the videos files essentially. So if you want to transfer some video, so again, for example, let's copy, go back to the main directory on my iPhone, click here, click and hold, and paste. So you see it will take obviously some time to transfer depending on the size of the video, but you see it's actually very fast. So this was like almost 400 megabyte video. So again, actually very fast. So yeah, and that's all there is to it. So you can open the videos directly from here, or also in the Photos app as well, in one of the folders you will see there. And after you are done, you can disconnect and you are good to go. Good luck.